So this is Steve, still swimming on his 37th round, coming here to the end, last half round, finishing his extreme ice mile with over 2K, which means 2035 meters in the end. Just has to push hard the last halfway back to here, to these steps where Joe is standing, and he will finish up his 2K ice mile with 3 degrees Celsius in temperature here in Austria at the beautiful Alpeiner Hotel, you see here. And yeah. Go! Go!
Stop.
Yeah.
Jeremy, and you assist, okay? Give him a sec, man. Give him a sec. Yeah, you come up. Bravo, baby. Good.
Well done. Great job. Great job.
Bravo.
Perfect.
Incredible, Steve.
Ice frog. Ice frog.
Incredible.
Okay? Okay?
Okay. Wait. Okay, relax. Breathe. Good. Go slowly. Slowly. Okay. Breathe. Yeah, it's okay. It's normal to relax. You take out the look. On the slab, see? On the slab. There. Big step in here.
There's recovery with all sorts of sauna and shower, everything here. Well done. Great job.